Welcome to the new session. Today our video number is 1.25, page number 25 in 9th class, first chapter real numbers. Today we have discussed the 7th problem. The 7th question is find the value of root 10 minus root 15 by 2 root 2. We have to find the value of this irrational number up to 3 decimal places. Here some hint is given. If we have to use, we have to note this value, subtract this, substitute this values in the given problem. Root 2 is equals to 1.41 and root 5 is equals to 2.236. Where we have to take down these values. Already in the previous class I said how to find the values of any irrational number by using bar method. In 8th class you learned about how to find this, and in this class also I said in the previous exercises how to find this. So same like that, by using of this method, bar method, also sometimes we have to call it as dot method. By using bar method we have to find the given root values. Okay children, so by using of this method we have to get this decimal values. Just we have to take up to 3 decimals only is enough. Given number is equals to root 10 minus root 15 by 2 root 2. Observe children, here in the denominator 2 root 2 is given. This root means it is an irrational number. Convert this irrational number into rational number. For that we have to take rationalizing factor. For that we have to multiply the numerator and denominator with rationalizing factor of root 2. So that's why the given number root 10 minus root 15 divided by 2 root 2. Here the irrational number is root 2. Multiply the numerator and denominator with this rationalizing factor, means root 2 means root 2 only take it. Here if we have to, in between plus symbol is there, means we have to take the minus 2 minus root 2. But here just 2 root 2 means 2 into root 2. So omit this 2, take down root 2, rationalizing factor of root 2 is root 2 only. Multiply the numerators with the numerator, denominators with the denominator. Root 10 into root 2. We know one formula, root a into root b is equals to root ab. Same like root a into root b. Root a into b means root 10 into 2 minus same root 15 into 2 divided by denominators with the denominator. 2 into root 2 into root 2 can be written as root 2 whole square. Observe children, root square and root get cancelled. Root 10 into 2, 10 2s are 20 minus 15 2s are 30 divided by 2 into 2 we are getting 2 2s are 4. Now root 20 minus root 30 values are not given, but for easily to get the answer of this question, we have to find root 20 value and root 30 value by using bar method. Now only I am saying, take down like this 20, up to 3 decimals means take 3 pairs of zeros, and you have to do the same process. You will get the value of root 20 is 4.472. Root 20 value is equals to 4.472. and root 30 value also same, by using the same method we will get the value is 5.477. Okay children, substitute these values in this, we have to get the answer. Root 20 is 4.472 minus root 30 is 5.477 divided by 2 2s are 4. Now do subtraction. 4.472 minus 5.477, it is not possible. So subtract, this is from here. 5.477 minus 4.472. 7 minus 2 5, 7 minus 7 0, 4 minus 4 0, 0.5 minus 4 is 1. But in these two, which is the greatest value? 5.477. So for that answer also we should get minus. So minus 1.005 divided by 4. Okay children, so this is our answer, but in the question up to 3 decimal places. So divide with 4, minus of cancelled with 4 table. Here it is not cancelled, 1 is not divisible by 4. So take 0.10 makes 10. 4 2s are 8. So see children, how like I did. 4, 1 is not divisible by 4. So 4 zeros are 0. 1 minus 0, 1. Point. Bring down 0. We will get 10. 4 2s are 8. 10 minus 8. The remainder is 2. Again bring down 0. 4 5s are 20. 20 minus 20 is 0. Again bring down next number 5. 4 1s are 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Take down, there is no bring down value here. Take 0 here. 4 2s are 8. Again do subtraction. 10 minus 8 is 2. 0. 4 5s are 20. 20 minus 20 is equal to 0. So finally we are getting 0.25125. But no need to write the total value. Just up to 3 decimals. Up to 3 decimals. 1 2 3 means here 0.251. It is enough. Therefore, the value of root 10 minus root 15 by 2 root 2 is equals to minus 0.251. 8th bit, find the given problems. We have 6 problems are there. I have explained any 2 of them. Remaining are homework to you. You only do it. Now, shall we start with first problem, that is 64 power 1 by 6. 64 power 1 by 6 means we can write this, it is the base and this is the exponent. Convert this base as the power of any power of 6. So we have to write which number we should multiply with 6 times to get 64. We observe that 64, which number we should multiply 6 times to get 64. For that we have to do like this process and then we are getting. For example, with the 2 table, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2, remaining 1, it makes 12, 2 6s are 12. Next, again with the 2 table, 2 8s are 60. Again with the 2 table, 2 4s are 8. Again with the 2 table, 2 2s are 4. Here it is enough. 2 1s are 2. Now how many times 2 occurring here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the power of the denominator plus 6? So here also 2 we are getting 6 times. So 64 can be multiplied. 2 can be multiplied 6 times. We are getting 64. Means 2 to the power of 6. Again whole to the power of 1 by 6. We know one formula, a to the power of m whole to the power of n. A to the power of m whole to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m into n. Same like a to the power of m whole to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m into n. Numerator 6, denominator 6 get cancelled. Then we are getting 2 to the power of 1 means 2. So 64 power 1 by 6 is equals to 2. For example, 64, if we have to do like this, 8 8s are 64, 8 1s are 8. 8 can comes 2 times only, means 8 square. But we have how many times? 6 times. So it is not. We are not taking this one. So that's why we have to take with the 2 table. We are getting 2 multiplied 6 times. We are getting 64. That's why we have to take this number. Okay children. Now I am going to explain more one problem. Here 4th one, solution. The given number is 16 to the power of 3 by 2. What is the denominator in the powers plus 2? Means we can express this 16. Which number we should multiply 2 times to get 16? Already you know. 4 4s are 16. 4 1s are 4 means 4 into 4. It occurring how many times? 2 times. So here also 2. So 16 can be written as 4 square all to the power of 3 by 2. Already I said to you the formula a to the power of m all to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m into n. Here we are applying that formula 4 to the power of 2 into 3 by 2. Numerator denominator get cancelled. Then we are getting 4 to the power of 3. 4 can be multiplied how many times? 3 times. You will get the answer, or simply we have to omit this 4 to the power of 3. Remaining we only do it.